Good morning, everyone. My name is Kabiru Garba. I'm here to present my assignment, Unit 6, Introduction to Environmental, University of the People. Title page, Kabiru Garba, University of the People, Introduction to Environmental. Assignment activity, Unit 6. Next, introduction. Environmental challenges are major problems that affect ecosystem health, human health, and economic development. These issues occur both globally and in Nigeria, though their causes and impacts may vary by region. Key environmental challenges in Nigeria include severe deforestation, oil pollution in the delta, rapid urbanization, and desertification, mostly in the northern part of the country, while global issues centered on climate change, biodiversity loss, and plastic pollution. Solutions require enforcing environmental regulations, investing in renewable energy, promoting sustainable agriculture, and improving waste management. Deforestation and biodiversity loss. Deforestation occurs when forests and cleared of agriculture, logging, or urban expansion. This leads to biodiversity loss, soil degradation, and increased carbon emission, especially in case of companies and what have you. In Nigeria, in Nigerian perspective, Nigeria has experienced significant deforestation due to agriculture, urban development, and illegal logging. The country has lost up to 90 to 95% of its original forest cover, resulting in habitat loss and ecosystem disruption. This was supported by Green Economy Partnership 2024. Global perspective now. Perspective. Globally, deforestation is largely driven by agricultural expansion and production of commodities such as beef, soy, and palm oil, which accounts for about three quarters of global deforestation. Deforestation. The same thing reported by Green Economy Partnership 2024. Solutions: reforestation now, not deforestation, reforestation and afforestation programs, sustainable forestry practices, protection of endangered ecosystem, community-based conversion initiatives. Reforestation help absorb carbon dioxide while restoring biodiversity and ecosystem services. Let's talk about the key challenges and solutions. In Nigeria, as we all know, climate change is the most serious environmental challenges worldwide. It is mainly caused by greenhouse gas emission from fossil fuel used, deforestation, and industrial activities. This emission increase global temperature and leads to extreme weather events such as and droughts and rising sea level. General perspective, Nigeria is highly vulnerable to climate change, impacts such as flooding, desertification, and unpredictable rainfall patterns. Rainfall patterns. Severe floods in northern Nigeria have destroyed homes, farmland, and infrastructure, highlighting the country's vulnerability to climate-related disasters. Globally, global climate change contributes to rising sea level, melting ice caps, and extreme weather events, which threaten food security, ecosystem, and human health. Solutions: transition to renewable energy such as solar and wind power, improve energy efficiency in buildings and transportation, implement carbon capture technologies, develop climate resilient infrastructure and disaster management system. These solutions reduce greenhouse gas emission and help societies adapt to climate impacts. Pollution, we have air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. In Nigerian perspective, in Nigeria, pollution is often linked to oil exploration, industrial waste, and poor waste management. Oil spill in the Niger Delta have polluted rivers, destroying mangroves, mangrove forests, and harms fishing communities. Water pollution is also widespread, with many surface water sources contaminated by industrial discharge and wastes. Global perception pollution includes plastic waste, climate contamination, and air pollution. Each year, over 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean, harming marine life and ecosystem. Solutions: improve waste management and recycling system, implementing stricter environmental solutions, promote circular economic practices, reduce plastic production and consumption, urbanization and waste management. In Nigerian perspective, urban areas such as Lagos produce large amounts of waste, such as much of which is not properly managed, contributing to pollution and flooding problems. Globally, urbanization worldwide leads to increased waste generation, air pollution, and higher energy consumption. Solution: sustainable urban planning, improved waste collection and recycling system, green infrastructure such as urban parks and green roofs. Conclusion: environmental challenges such as climate change, deforestation, pollution, desertification, and rapid urbanization efforts both Nigeria and globally community. While these issues vary in society across regions, they share common causes such as unsustainable resources use and industrial activities. Addressing these challenges requires coordinated efforts, including renewable energy adoption, and sustainable land management, stronger environmental policies, and public awareness. By implementing these solutions, countries can protect ecosystems, improve public health, and promote sustainable development. Thank you.